It's 9-ball. You just broke. You made the 1 in the side. You parked the cue ball kind of close to center table, but your 2-ball ended up down table here. What you're going to want to do in this case is play what's called a kick and stick safety. It's a great shot to learn. We're going to look at this shot more in detail with 240 frames per second, slow motion, but the shot looks like this right here. And that is an excellent safety. Now let's take a look at this shot in slow motion. So here's the shot straight on. One of the most important things about kicking like this is we need to know the angle coming off the cushion. Once knowing the angle we're going to achieve, we can then manipulate the travel path of the cue ball. As I apply max left side spin, watch how the cue ball angles into the 2-ball here. Watch closely at where the cue ball hits the 2 and drives it to the side rail. For this particular situation, it's imperative that our object ball hits the side cushion before the side pocket. And the only way to accurately make this happen is to understand where the cue ball needs to contact the end rail so the side spin sends our object ball on the correct travel path to the side cushion. Another cool thing about this shot, when it presents itself, it can be a two-way shot. After pocketing the 2-ball into the side, we have a shot on the 3-ball into the upper left corner pocket. So now let's take a look at where this shot really shines, you guys. A lot of players don't know this shot. Many would just try to play a combo into that 9, but that 9's close to the cushion. We could easily miss that. But if we play rail first with spin, we're going to make that shot no problem. And it looks like this. Super sweet shot. Now there are pitfalls to this shot, so let's take a look at those now. So now we have that basic same shot, but the 9-ball is now out here. And a lot of players may try to cut that, but it's a pretty tough cut, and they may want to play safe and try to hide that cue ball behind that 9. And there's a big mistake that you can make if you don't do it right. So let's see what happens here if I just hit side spin. And sure enough, we scratch. But let me show you now how we can really stop that from happening. So what we did wrong there was we played too far behind the 7, and we also didn't use low. We only used side spin. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to try to play more in behind the 7 to kick the 7 solidly up table, and I'm going to play some low spin, which should stop the cue ball. It's low inside or low left. And you can see there that the cue ball froze nicely. As we take a look at this closer, the two main factors are the inbound angle of the cue ball into the object ball and using not just side spin, but low. So let me give you a quick story of how I learned this. I was playing pool with one of my friends that's a 700 player, and he saw me using side spin without the low to play a safety, and the ball leaked out. After him stepping to the table and running out the rest of the balls, he said you needed to use low with that shot, as it would have expanded your ability to perform a proper kick and stick shot. So now let's take a look at a system of training that I came up with 2 years ago that really helped me learn these shots. First, take an object ball and set it up 2 ball widths off the end rail at center diamond. Now what we're going to try to do here is we're going to try to get as close as possible to our side pocket. Notice that I did not mark my cue ball location. All I did is set it on the table. Now we're going to go to the other side of the table, as we always want to do that, shoot from both sides, and try to do the same thing. See how close you can come to the side pocket. Now from here, I'll take 2 balls and I'll set them along the rail. And the goal here is to kick the object ball into one of these balls. What you'll find is it won't take very long at all for you to become acclimated to see the angle of coming into the cushion with the kick shot so that your object ball makes contact with the red. I hope this video was helpful to everyone. If you have any questions or comments, leave them in the comments section below. I answer every one. And if you want to learn more about shots like this and others, please check out my video library. And also, please hit the thumbs up for this video and share this video. You gotta share it. It helps my channel. I need your help. If you want to see another great tutorial, watch this one right here. And until next time, like I always say, keep on practicing.